Hi there, welcome back. On this part of the show, what am I doing? I'm making some lines. Oh yeah, I'm making a light box. I was gonna animate the beginning intro of this show with hand-drawn animation. Well, it was gonna be too much work. So instead, I spent 2 weeks learning to draw on my iPad. Yeah, so I'm doing that. Okay, no, I did that. What now? Gotta line it up again. Gotta be very precise. Very. Now I'm gluing. Oh, that's not in frame. You can see the shadow. So that's cool. Alright. Oh, there we go. That's on camera. Oh, this is nice. Very relaxing. This is gonna take a while. Very relaxing. You know, I thought I was going to be able to make something that was somewhat entertaining. I might have been wrong. How much of this did I leave in? This is a different acrylic. It's a little thicker. I think I spent like an hour doing this. I don't remember how much I left in. Wow, I feel like I left a sufficient amount of painting.
The point is that this isn't the only life available. The whole galaxy of things that you must not forget.
Something else. What am I doing now? I'm trying to get this to stick nice and precise and straight. Yeah, trying. Oh, that didn't work at all. Good job. New plan. Super glue. It's always a good solution when you want two things to stick together. This is very, very interesting stuff. Alright. Alright, the light works. It's not very bright though. Now I'm going to glue this. A lot of good choices. Hockey tape? No, not hockey tape. Okay, I guess I'll put those back. Sometimes you learn something. Alright, duct tape. That should work. Got the appropriate length of duct tape there. And yeah, let's tape. Oh, I gotta get it just right. You want to still be able to turn on and off the light. Okay, now what? Alright, does this fit? No. Okay. I don't think I cut that yet. That doesn't fit. Alright, let's test it out. Alright. Oh, not quite. Oh, will it go? No, that's not going. Yeah, almost. Okay. Oh, not quite. Close though. So close. Just gonna sand it a little. Yeah, a little more. A little more. Alright. Good job. Yay. Oh, that's a different view. Now I'm adding clamps. I don't look very happy about it. I'm sure I was having a great time. Okay, so this is the next day, and what happened was both the cameras stopped recording, and yeah, I continued to get higher and glue a whole bunch of stuff together, which I was planning not to do because the light's not that bright, and I wanted to add some more lights. Now I'm drilling, attempting to drill. It's thicker over there. Yeah. Wow. Only I can make drilling boring. Those were just pilot holes, I guess. Alright, one more hole. One more. Always have charged batteries when you're filming a YouTube show about drilling things. Oh no, this one's dead too. Wow, useless. Okay, well, guess I should charge those. Oh, I have a hole in my pants. Shit. Alright, that's charging now. Okay, yeah, 2 holes are better than no holes. And that. More great content for y'all. Why did I leave this in? Do you find that distracting? I see that light right there. I should try to fix that. But then this audio won't make any sense. I gotta leave it in now. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. It lights up. It's done. You didn't get to see me glue a bunch of stuff, but you can watch me clean the glass.